Now that our risk events or our risk register has been created, we can start to allocate risks to specific activities within the schedule. And to do that, at the top here, next to duration uncertainty, we click risk events. This changes these columns. Now, all you have to do to apply a risk to a WBS level or an activity is to click on these three buttons. And if we click on these, it is as simple as I can do cost recovery insufficient, test, unsuitable planes, and rain. And all I do then is click off, and those have been applied. Now, just like before, we have inherit here. So it's passed all of those risks down the schedule. If you don't have a risk assigned to a specific activity or WBS, it will say map risk events here. All you have to do is click on that and it'll take you to the same screen. And based on the settings that you did in your risk register and what you have applied, you will get a specific risk score. And it is as simple as that. Now, of course, just like we talked about before, you can filter, you can navigate your schedule in however which way you want, and you can assign the risks in whatever way you want.